air still carries a chill. On top of the cliffs of Cheyou Island, a pair of dark figures seem to be peering at their prospective prey in the sea. Cheyou is an uninhabited island in the archipelago known as the Changdao Islands, in the vast ocean. It serves as a stopover for migrating birds. After wintering, the Cormorants have arrived from far and near to breed on Cheyou Island. Here, cormorants and black-tailed gulls live as neighbors, enjoying nature's harmony. The waters surrounding the island are rich in various marine life, providing the cormorants living and breeding here with an essential source of food. Both Temminck's cormorants and pelagic cormorants live here, though similar in size. Pelagic cormorants have shiny black plumage and reddish cheeks, while Temminck's cormorants have white spots on the face and, as its name indicates, dark green feathers. Both are extremely few in numbers. Their distribution is limited, primarily on offshore islands and coastal areas in the temperate zone. Most cormorants on Cheyou Island are resident birds staying in their breeding ground through the year. Only a minority need to winter in the south. In March and April, the adults begin to gather on the islands suitable for breeding and make their home there. Between 30 meters to 70 meters above sea level, the rock columns serve as the homeland of the cormorants. The pelagic cormorant couple has hatched 3 chicks. The parents use their bodies to keep the babies nice and warm. The hatchlings grew very fast, covered in down feathers in 3 days. They acquire a full plumage in 2 weeks and begin to develop tail feathers. With their increased size, the chicks also grow an appetite, sending the parents on more food-seeking trips. Cormorants can observe the changes in tides and ocean currents and learn about the activity of fish. They cooperate well and often round up fish in the water together. Cormorants are awkward on dry land, needing their tails for support when at rest. But they are really good at underwater fishing, being able to dive to depths of up to 10 meters to track the fish. Such enviable prowess is lacking in the nearby black-tailed gulls. They tend to closely follow the cormorants so that they can feast on the leftovers. In June, the 3 two-week-old cormorants have acquired a full plumage and most of their tail feathers. In a week's time, they will be ready to defend their nest. After yet another month, the young birds will follow their parents to hunt in the waters nearby. After they are fully fledged, they will live independently of their parents.